Hello again, my name is Jessica, your Zon.Tools tutorial assistant. Another new feature that you can utilize on the new version of our tool is the rule template. Rule template is a feature that allows users to save the custom rule, or best rule you have, and use it when creating a PGN, or non-PGN campaigns with just one click. In this video, we will teach how to use the rule template and how it can be helpful. It's convenient to use since you prefer to have the same rules set up for each campaign. You can simply click it, and the same rules will be set like the previous one, especially if you have the same ASIN on your sponsored products campaigns. But of course, it's you who'll be 100% in charge of your account. And you can still do manual application in your rule template. To create rule templates, you simply have to log into your Zon.Tools version 2 account. Go to your dashboard, click Amazon Seller, click on Ads, and then click Rule Template. Once you click the rule template, you'll see the Create Rule button, then a modal will pop up where you will enter the rules for the following. Enter the name for your rule template, then enter your target maximum ACOs in percentage. Enter your minimum action clicks. Your change rate in percentage is your bid change rate. Next is your relevancy sales. And then enter your maximum keyword spend. And lastly, enter your minimum bid and maximum bid. Once done, enter the rule name and click Submit. Next, where can we use this? You can use your rule template on both your non-PGN campaigns and your PGN campaigns. Let me show you real quick how you can use it on your non-PGN campaigns or your existing campaigns. You can use your rule template to automate your campaign. Click the checkbox of the campaign, then click the Automate button, and then the modal will appear. And you will have the rule template button on the upper right side of your Automate modal. Click the rule template button, choose the rule template you want to use from the drop-down, and then click the Apply button. Another option where you can use the rule template is when you want to change or edit your campaign rules. Choose the campaign you want to change the rule, click the three dots action button, click Manage Rule, and then toggle the rule template you wish to use. And of course, you can also use it for your PGN creation. Click Add New PGN. Go to PGN Creation Steps. When you're on the Rules Setup page, you'll see the Rule Template button. Now you can choose to use the rule template we created earlier. Once you've clicked on the Apply button, the rules will be populated. You simply just need to fill in the rest of the rules needed for your PGN creation. Or you can also use it to update the rules of your already created PGN. Just choose the PGN, click the three dots action button and click on the Manage Rule option. Toggle the rule you want to use, and the Save modal will appear. And now you can use your rule template for your campaigns or PGN campaigns. And that is how you can create your rule templates. Continue watching our tutorial videos to learn and understand more about how Zon.Tools works.